quality, smooth spinning. Here we have the new Bueno Orca 360 ISOFIX comfortable car seat from Malaysia. Support from newborn up to 36 kg, 12 years old. The full recline can go up to 165 degrees, almost flattening, more comfort for your newborn baby. This is the slim car seat. From frame to frame, it's only 42 cm. It have a lovely diamond-shaped design at the side, surrounding with white color lining right here, and the padding as well. Come with a thick and comfortable head and body support with ventilations. Available in 8 recline position, 4 from forward facing, 4 in rear facing, 7-stage adjustable headrest, up and down with automatic harness system. Safety features of this car seat, it have anti-slip shoulder padding, 5-point harness, buckle alert system with indicator, come with 4-layer protection, protective layer, buffer layer, energy absorption layer, and side impact protection layer. Bueno Orca 360 comply ECE-R44 European Safety Standard, approved by JPJ Myros Malaysia. Installation using ISOFIX system and top heater system. To spin the car seat, easily trigger this button to spin left or right. And for Orca 360, you can fix it the sideway to buckle up your baby. Bueno Orca 360 comes with 3 years product warranty and a lifetime 1-to-1 crash exchange warranty. So let's get this car seat at My Lovely Baby for extra value. Thank you for watching. I'm Joseph, Baby Boss.